Let's install Inkscape on Ubuntu. Installing Inkscape on Ubuntu is really pretty easy. You can always install directly from the Software Center or from your package repository. The challenge with that, as per usual with Ubuntu, is that usually it is pretty far out of date. So the version that you would install if you used the package manager would be a little bit behind. So for instance, I could just click this install button up here, but this is the version that I've got, 0.92.5. That's in as of the recording of this video. Whereas if I go to the Inkscape website and I go to download current version, you'll see that 1.0.2 is the current version. There's some really big updates since then version 92, so you probably want to get the latest. But you don't necessarily just want to download a binary and install it that way. If you're on Ubuntu, you still want to use a package manager. So the easiest thing to do is to look for an Inkscape PPA. And a PPA is just adding your own repository. This first result when you Google Inkscape PPA is really what you're going to want to do. So you'll open a terminal and you're just going to add this repository. Now let me make it easy for you that you can just add it in there. Copy and paste the code, and it will install that repository. And now you can, I like to run up apt update again. I think it does it when you add a PPA automatically, but it's still nice to do that. And then we'll just install Inkscape. This may take some time depending on your system, but once it's done, it should be installed. One thing I wanted to note is down here on this package page, you can see that their supported version, their latest supported version is 1.0.2, and that matches the latest version on the Inkscape website. You'll also notice they support Ubuntu 18.04, 20.04, 2010, and 21.04. So if you're on a different version of Ubuntu than what they have listed here, you might not be able to install it from this PPA. With that, we should now be able to go here and look for Inkscape, and it's installed here. And you have Inkscape.